In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily decrease the leverage of an opened position on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $6,000 as a welcome bonus. First, I quickly want to mention that I'm currently using here the demo trading feature. So if you want to try out the platform, I highly recommend you to just go up here to derivatives, go to USDT perpetual futures after you've signed up. When you're using the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. Up here you will see a button to go to the demo trading feature, and then you can use the entire platform right here without having to use your own money. So as you can see, we are currently in this position right here with a 7x leverage and a $500,000 position size. So if we want to decrease the leverage, we can simply go up here and just click on this, and then we can edit this leverage. So let's say I want to put it down to a 5x leverage. I can then just click on confirm, but note in red right here, we can see, of course, if you want to decrease the leverage of an existing position, you need to make sure that you have enough available margin for that. Margin means your own capital. So because if you decrease the leverage, what it tries to do is it tries to keep up the same position size, which is $500,000 right here. With a 7x leverage, you only need $700,000 of position size, because 700,000 times 7 equals around about this $500,000. If we decrease it now to a 5x leverage, so this right here gets decreased to a 5, then of course we need more in here. Eventually, you can see it right here, we need 100,000 right here, because 100,000 in the margin right here times the new 5x leverage will then equal still the same position size of $500,000. So that's how that works. In this case, we can do it because we need an additional $28,000 margin to keep up with the $100,000 to be added to here. So the 28,000 needs to be added in here, and we need to have it available right here. And we actually do. We have $29,000, so that's possible. And if I click on confirm, you will see it worked. We have now the margin increased to $100,000, and we have decreased the leverage of our existing position to a 5x leverage. If you want to do that further, so let's say I want to decrease the leverage to a 2x leverage, you can see that's not possible, because for a 2x leverage, to keep up the $500,000 position size, we would need, of course, $250,000 as margin right here, because then the $250,000 times 2 will still equal the $500 position size. So that means in here, I need an additional $150,000 of margin. Currently I have only $700, so that's not possible. So if I click on confirm, you will see insufficient margin. It's not possible. But what I can do, if I still want to do that, there's only basically two options. Either I deposit more money on here to have more available margin, so I can still do that, or I decrease the position size, which means I close parts of my position. And how does that work? I just go here to close, market, and then type in how much I want to close of the position. So I could say, in this case, I want to close, for example, let's say $300,000 of this position. If I click on close long, confirm, you will see now my position value is much smaller. And now it's of course much easier with the smaller leverage to still have enough margin left in here. So if I go back in here again, and say I want to decrease my leverage to a 2x leverage, you will see, of course, I only need now $90,000 of margin to keep up the now much smaller position size of only $200,000 in here. So to reach the 29,000 in here, I need an additional 55,000. And now, as you can see, I have 61,000 available. So now it's possible. If I click on confirm, you will see this margin right here is pulled into the position. I now have it at 29,000. I now have it at 92,000 in here. And now the 92,000 times the 2x leverage, which is now decreased, will still equal the same position size. So that's how it works. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.